HP tuners speed limiter removal. What an interesting topic. In this video, I'll show you how to either adjust the speed limiter up or down using HP tuners. As a disclaimer, this video is strictly for educational purposes. Before adjusting any vehicle, please be sure to fully understand any changes you are making. Improper tuning can severely damage a vehicle. Here I have the HP Tuners VCM editor open. For this example, I'm using my Hummer H3 tune file. From this series of tabs, I can select Speedo, which opens the speedometer adjustment panel. And the speed limiter controls top speed by fuel cutoff. Cutoff is the speed at which fuel delivery will be cut off from the vehicle, and resume speed will be at the speed at which fuel delivery will turn back on after being cut off. So if I'm wanting to lower this value, I'll do 85 here and 88 here, keeping the cutoff a little bit higher than the resume. If I'm wanting to take the vehicle on the drag strip and see what its top speed is, I can adjust these values up. So now I'm at 180 and 185, for example. And this will allow the vehicle to continue past its initial set point for a top speed. I can hit save, and now I can go ahead and write this tune file to the vehicle. And there we are, a quick and simple HP Tuners speed limiter adjustment guide. Quick shout out to our support on Patreon. If anybody watching this is interested in playing a bigger role in creating more content like this, head on over to our Patreon page and become a supporter.